Okay, what's this one?
Duck.
And what does a duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
That's right. What's this one?
Pig.
And what does a pig say?
Oink, oink.
That's right. Good girl.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Put it in the spot. What is this one?
Roosters.
That's right. And what does a rooster say?
Get me on there.
What does a rooster say?
My kids you.
That's right. What's this one?
Regular horse.
Regular horse? And what does a regular horse say?
Nay.
What is this?
Cow.
And what does a cow say?
Moo.
Okay, put it in the spot. What's this one? What is it? What's this one?
Sheep.
Sheep. That's right. And what does a sheep say? What does a sheep say?
Blah.
That's right. And what is this?
Blah.
No, what is this? A goat. And what does a goat say?
Blah.
Are you cute? Pressy, are you cute? Yeah!
No.
You're a good girl.